Alright, so how you change a cartridge type oil filter. This is a Chevy Sonic, 2014 Chevy Sonic. Has a cartridge style oil filter. Doesn't have the traditional spin-on type. This is like a cartridge. Normally located on the front of the motor. You'll see there's this plastic cover. So what you're going to need to do is you need to find your right socket. On this car it's a 15/16. So you just break it loose. Make sure you have your oil pan underneath it. There might be some oil that comes out. You break it loose, then just spin it off. Okay, and then the filter is going to come with the cap. Okay, set that on the rag. You could see there was some oil that came out, dripped down into our pan. All right, there we go. So there's the cap with the filter and the O-ring. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to pop the cap off the filter. These little tabs locate inside the cap there. There's a little hex inside. Those go in there. So you're going to remove your old O-ring from the cap. Careful, it's just plastic. You don't want to gouge it. All right. Clean this oil off of here. Just make sure there's no dirt or grime. All right. I'm going to take our new O-ring from our new filter and put that on here. Just kind of work it on. All right, we're going to take our new filter. Here's the little tabs. They get pressed into that. Just line it up. There you go. Filter's installed on the cap. What you're going to do, you're going to just kind of rub your fingers on here, get it a little lubricated. Then you're going to put that back down on the engine. Go ahead and take your rag and just make sure it's cleaned out down in there. Take your filter assembly, so it has a cap, the filter, the new O-ring. Slide that on over there. Spin it on. Make sure you don't get it cross-threaded. All right, take your ratchet and your socket. Run it down. Doesn't need to be too tight, just enough to seal the O-ring. Pretty much right there it's stopped, so it just bottomed out. Just give it a little bit more. There you go. That's how you change a cartridge style filter. If you have a car like this, go ahead and like, subscribe. See you on the next one.